సీఏ గారు రెడ్డి గారు ఒకసారి సీఏ గారికి ఇచ్చి ఒకసారి అవునా నువ్వు అక్కడ ఫోన్ చేయి ఇక్కడ ఉంది కార్ పార్కింగ్ లో
ప్రభుత్వంలో రాష్ట్రం ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ 11 అంతరాలు పంపించట్లేదు
మాట్లాడదాం పదండి మీరే కదా మనమే కదా పదండి ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి నాకు కెమెరా లాప్
మేడం గారు ఒకసారి
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిందంటే బాగా పెట్టేవాళ్ళు నేనే చేశాను సార్ ప్లీజ్ సార్
ప్లీజ్ సార్ ప్లీజ్
Namaskaram to everyone. Today is Sri Sri Varahalakshmi Narasimha Swami Chandanotsavam. It comes once a year, the festival. Everybody is always looks forward for the festival, and we all wish that the God's blessings are on all the people of Andhra Pradesh, and we wish that our Chief Minister gets all his blessings so that we have an excellent state. Thank you.
Thank you. బ్రో ప్లీజ్.
Is going on and how believers are facing this time of Darshan.
As per the most ancient tradition in this region, Chandanotsavam festival is being celebrated in a grand manner in Simhachalam Devasthanam today since the early hours, that is at about 2:30 a.m. Founder family member and hereditary trustee Sri Ashok Gajpati Raju Garu started. It is called Tolu Puja. First puja on behalf of the Devasthanam used to be performed by the hereditary trustees since centuries. Accordingly, he has performed the Tolu Puja today at about 2:30 p.m. And after that, after presentation of Pattu Vastrams on behalf of the government and the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams, darshanams were started to common devotees, that is in free line and 300 rupees line. Since 3 o'clock they are having darshan. Between 4 to 5 protocols darshans were also completed. Now all lines are moving freely, that is 2 general lines, 300 rupees line, 1000 rupees line, 1500 rupees line. In 5 lines darshans are being provided. Elaborate arrangements were made for parking of vehicles, for transportation of devotees from uphill to downhill to uphill and uphill to downhill, drinking water facilities, toilet facilities, shelter all along the queue lines were provided in a well-planned manner by the district administration with complete coordination between Devasthanam, district collector, revenue authorities and GVMC authorities. Now up to 7 o'clock in the evening, devotees will be allowed into queue line. After 7, the queue lines will be closed, but by the time whoever are there in the queue lines, they will be provided darshan, and darshan will be closed at around, expected to be closed around 11 o'clock in the evening. From 7 p.m. onwards, Abhishekam will be started to the deity. Parallelly, Abhishekam and darshans will be performed.
How many pilgrims will come and visit this?
We are expecting more than 1,50,000 pilgrims today. The arrangements were made based on the estimation.
What is the previous, how many devotees will come and visit that and comparison? How
I mean, up to now about 10,000 people had darshan, but from onwards more number of devotees will come, and by evening it will cross 1,50,000. We are expecting that.
పదమూడు ఖాళీ అయిపోయిందండి, ముందుకు పంపించాలి. రూట్ నెంబర్ 13, రూట్ నెంబర్ 37.